Hey, this is Brian again. It's still January 5th. I got the 5S Briggs taken apart, and water had gotten to the top of the cylinder. You can see there the head is mighty rusty. Just like the seal, I don't know. There may have been some water that got in around that part of the seal. The rest of it looks clean. But I've got WD-40 just sitting in there just to see what it'll do. It was rusty around the edges. Not bad though, but the valves, even though they're both closed, have rust around them. So they'll have to be clean. The cylinder will have to be honed to get it clean. And I'm going to go ahead and take the piston out and see what shape the rings are in. But I was hoping something else had it locked up, but it's that rust. But I'll let you see it whenever I get it apart. Hope y'all are having a good day. Bye-bye.